this is not my first master class or any first attending any makeup artist. This is my 7th or 8th. But in all the classes where I attend, it's always product based, as she told before. And even if we ask about other products, they would be telling us this is the best brand available in India. They would never suggest us something else in affordable brands other than what they are sponsored. And now also, even if you forget something, like yesterday we told about hair braiding, we asked for short hair braiding, which I forgot, but you people remembered it and again you did it for our sake. In 2 days you taught us so much more. Because in 2 days teaching us 3 looks, 1 male makeover and telling us so many tricks. We asked so many questions and ma'am showed it. Completely ma'am showed it on one person. I feel very effective this class, sir. Like 2 days have been very effective. We learned so many things. We are eagerly waiting to go home and try everything, and also very thankful for being here. And I should say that I'm very happy that I chose Asmita Makeover Artist, ma'am. Before coming here, I'm very skeptical, will I learn in 2 days? Because whatever I am till now is always like this. But they proved me completely wrong. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for telling us so many things and sharing us the brands. I see no one doing that in any makeup artist. They'll show us 1 or 2 brands and then they'll close their vanity. But you are the one who always opens up your vanity, even in stuff or in classes, to your students completely. You raised this so many years investing and you are giving it to us for knowledge purpose. We are very thankful for that. And also Divya ma'am, she is doing a fantastic hairstyles. We were always very in awe with your classes when we are watching it, and when ma'am is doing it, again when we are asking some tips and tricks also, ma'am is also explaining it, re-explaining it. I actually feel that it cannot happen in a 2 days class, because you need to do so many looks, you need to give us so much knowledge. There is no time for you to completely re-explain things. But here, in case you don't have time also, you are still giving us the knowledge. That's very, very appreciable work, ma'am. Thank you.